It's amazing. It's been a journey getting here and seeing everyone that has worked so hard on the film, and celebrating Chad is such a big thing for us, and to be here and that kind of optimism and the kind of joy of it it's amazing. And we really just can't wait for the movie to be out there and for people to see what we've done, and to honor him, and so it's exciting. It's really exciting. It's put a big smile on my face. We expand the world. We expand the world to telecom. Like we're there's an underwater world that no one knew was there, and so the idea of kind of expanding the world of Black Panther and then the MCU is wonderful. There's new characters to explore. Namora, Atuma. There's all these wonderful characters. We're just proud of being able to tell another story that speaks to what the first film spoke to in a lot of ways.